Do you ever sit down at 8 p.m. in the evening and think that you have had an incredibly busy day, but you didn't really accomplish it? If you ever feel that you had a busy day and just passing by, it's time for you to likely see that what had gone wrong. And the most dangerous thing of the day is to waste your time in the morning. Hi, this is Narinder Kaur, and I'm a Phoenix Healing Coach. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 women to live life of dignity and healthy self-esteem and live a supremely empowered life. And I welcome you today on the very hot topic, which is 7 things you should never do in the morning. As Richard Watley once said, lose an hour in the morning and you will spend all day looking for it. So, if you spend your morning doing the wrong things, you likely lack your energy, motivation, willpower to do the right things throughout the rest of the day. By eliminating the following habits, you'll get space in your life for the important decisions you ever make. So, number one is planning your day. If you fail to plan your day, and it will also fail to execute. But if you spend time, the first moments of your day in planning, let me tell you, the schedule, if you make it in the morning, you will waste enormous amount of your energy, of your precious energy and repetitive task. And write a to-do list in the morning. If you do it, it's a very common productive advice, but you should never do in the morning. And being organized and being fulfilled is a key to life. Your plans should be ready before you get up. So, waking up with a concrete plan is the essence of the next day. So, what you should do instead, if you want to make the most of each day, set your priorities before going to the bed. When you wake up, your daily schedule is already ready with you, and you need to just tick it off and complete the tasks. Don't allow yourself to feel overwhelmed in the early hours of your day. Instead, be prepared what you had written the earlier day in the evening. And when you're planning your schedule, your daily schedule, don't make a long list. Just 3 goals to 5 goals in a day is completely okay. 3 to 5 tasks. Otherwise, you'll feel overwhelmed. Number two is complaining. So, quite often, we don't even realize that negative conversations and thoughts gives and depletes our energy completely. For most people, it even feels natural that to complain about the weather, about the politics, about the home, about the children, about the family, everything is just a morning routine. And this is a disaster. If you do that in the morning, your whole day will get depleted completely. So you don't have to focus on the negative part. You don't have to complain in the morning or in during the day. So what to do instead? Your words and thoughts have power. They have energies. So first do the gratitude in the morning. Write a gratitude journal. 5 to 6 lines or 10 lines or whatever how many lines you like about what you are grateful for the whole day and what you have achieved in life. You have to write it down. I am grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my home. I'm grateful for having enough food and water to drink. I'm grateful for my country, everything, whatever you like. You have to write it down for what you are grateful for. Number three, getting straight to work. So let me tell you, getting up from bed Morning is a perfect time actually to take care of your health. If you are getting up from the bed and getting ready and going straight to work, the energies what you are carrying from the last day and the whole night, it will not get a charge of that. So first thing you have to do is you have to recharge yourself. So instead of getting up from the bed and going straight to the work, you have to do the exercise. So make a morning schedule in the morning first to do the exercise, to refresh yourself, to get motivated, to recharge yourself. Your physical and mental health is very, very necessary to be balanced with your mind, body, and soul. So, my next point is making too many decisions. Number 4. The surest way to waste the time in the morning is getting overwhelmed and making too many decisions. This includes dedicating what to wear, what to eat in the breakfast, what to eat in the lunch, what to leave, how to catch the bus, and about the driving and all the stuff, which projects to work on and what not. And so much more tasks in the mind. What to do instead? Your number one priority in the morning should be to reduce your mental clutter. Decluttering is very, very important in the morning, and give your brain a room to breathe. By making hard or too many decisions first thing in the morning, you are wasting your mental energy. This leads to a lack of willpower during the morning hours, and better not to do that. Instead, make small decisions before going to bed. Prepare your outfit for the next day earlier, one day before. Number 5, hitting the snooze button. So you expected this one to be on the list, right? So while hitting the snooze button, you might feel as if you are doing yourself a favor. The truth is contrary. Your subconscious mind is very smart. Let me tell you, if you are playing with the snooze button again and again, your subconscious mind will see that you are not at all conscious about your living. So, and again and again, you will be defeating your task. So, if you want to get up for the exercise in the morning, better to put your alarm clock not in the room, in the next room or in the drawing room, so that you get up from the bed and go and then switch off the alarm and get ready for the exercise or meditation after that. So this is a very important topic, and you have to actually look into it, how to stop the snooze button. And my 6th point is distracting yourself through social media. If you are scrolling down first thing in the morning to the social media feed, social media, everything, and just putting the news and all that stuff, let me tell you, that's very, very disturbing. It's very, very distracting from you for the whole day. So what to do instead? If you really want to catch up for 5 minutes for a positive motivation, meditation, and all that stuff, otherwise don't use social media early in the morning. It will gonna distract you. So number 7, loading your body with sugar. This is very important. If you get up in the morning and taking a lot of sugar in tea, coffee, whatever, it will give you immediate digestion in the carbohydrates as well as sugar, but it will gonna slow down your mind. And the problem will be your mind and body will be lethargic. So what you have to do is, your breakfast should be healthy, your morning routine should be healthy, so that your mind, body, and soul can work, and your subconscious and conscious mind can work with the same routine and can be combined with that. So, what to do first thing in the morning should leave you feeling more energized, more empowered, and help you to be more productive instead of being lazy. A good life is the result of good habits, and your morning have a particularly very strong effect on the quality of life. How you spend your morning can often tell you what kind of a day you are going to have. So, if you are very serious about taking your life to the next level and becoming your best self, start by eliminating these 7 sins from your mornings and watch your health, wealth, productivity, and happiness rise is there. So, good life is the result of good habits, and your mornings have a particularly strong effect on the qualities of life. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you really want to add value, please send me your comments. I would really love to hear from you and read your comments. Also, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. I'll be coming up with more of my new episodes with this. And thank you so much. Have a great day.